morning children. Hope you are all doing good. This is 3rd standard English class. Block 18 giving instructions. In that today's topic is identifying most important instructions. So today we are going to identify the most important instructions to follow in a process. Process means in completing the work. Children, I think you are all getting excited when the schools will reopen. Before the school starts, what you will do? Yes, you will buy the new books, you will buy new books, new bag, shoes and water bottle like that. So after buying the books, what you will do? You will cover the books. Why we have to cover the books? Because if you cover the books, it looks nice and clean. So you are all small children. You don't know to cover the books. What you will do? You will ask your parents or elders. So today we will find out how to cover the books. So for that you have to open to how to cover your books in the English reader. Children, while reading the chapter, we will underline the most important instructions. How to cover your books. Block 18, giving instructions. See, this is the cover page. If you see here, there are books which have been covered, and here scissors, pen stand is there, and in that pens and pencils are there. Okay, here tape is also there. This is instructional text. How to cover your books. Who is the author of the story? Soumya Rajendran. Here these are the keywords. Spine, paperweight, flap, peel. See children, this is spine. See this part. This is called spine. Now turn the page. Let's start reading the lesson. See children, as I told you, while reading the story, we will underline the most important instructions on each page. So be ready with your pencil. Wherever I am underlining, you also have to underline that sentences. Schools starting soon. New uniform, new bag, new water bottle and new books. We have to cover them all with paper. It keeps the book covers looking nice and clean. Let's start, shall we? First, look at the sizes of the books. See, this is most important instructions. Okay, first we have to see the sizes of the books. See, how did she keep here? Textbooks one side and notebooks one side. Because the sizes are different. The textbooks are big, the notebooks are smaller. Put the same sized books together. Put the same sized books together. After that, what we have to do? We have to put the same sized books together. Next page. Next, fold a full sheet of paper in half and open it out. This one also we have to underline. Fold a full sheet of paper in half and open it out. Keep the half sheets for the notebooks. Okay, now, shall we start with the textbook? Open it to the center page of the book. How do you know, children? Center page of the book. See here, the pins here. That's how we know it's the center page. Place the open book in the middle of the sheet of brown paper. Next, what we have to do? Place the open book in the middle of the sheet of brown paper, leaving about 1 inch on all sides. See, like this you have to leave here a side. See, this one also you have to underline. Open it to the center page of the book. Turn the page, children. First, use a pencil to mark the corners. What we have to do? After placing the book, we have to mark the corners with the pencil. Then mark a V shape at the top of the spine of the book and an upside down V at the bottom of the spine. See here, if you observe that, see here, how did she mark, children? She put the book here and she drew the line here and here spine. This is the spine. So here she draw like V shape. Here like this V and here upside down V at the bottom of the spine. Make the V's flat bottomed as shown in the picture. Here what is the most important instruction? First use a pencil to mark the corners. This is most important instruction. Then mark a V shape at the top of the spine of the book and an upside down V at the bottom of the spine. This is also most important instruction, children. So what we have to do? We have to underline. How this is the most important instruction? Because without correctly drawing and cutting the V shape, we will not be able to fold the corners in. Okay, now do you see the triangles? Here, see. Good. Now use a scissor to cut out the 4 corners and the V's at the top and bottom. Keep the triangles under a paperweight. See, children, think, keep the triangles under a paperweight. Is this important thing? No. Now, next page. Now, place the book back on the paper. Place the book back on the paper. Use the V's and corner marks to put it in just the right place. Use the V's, see here. Like this you have to put it properly. Underline it, children. Starting with the front cover of the book, fold in each flap. See, like this you have to fold this. Close the book and see if it looks okay and opens easily. So after folding that, what you have to do? You have to close the book and see. You have to check whether it is opening easily or not. Does it look neat? Good. Use tape to stick the folded portions. Use tape to stick the folded portions onto the inside of the cover. See here how she is using that tape, children. Like this you have to tape this. Press lightly. This is also underline, children. Press lightly to make sure it stays. Turn the page. Now peel off one label carefully from your sheet of labels. See here, this is the label sheet. Do you all know? Now what you have to do? Peel off one label carefully from your sheet of labels. Paste it on the cover. What you have to do after that? Paste it on the cover. You can put it on the top or middle or wherever you like. Some children, they will put the labels across like this. Your wish. Write your name and class on the label. It is also most important instruction. Yes, without your name, how do we know that is your book? Write your section too. This is also most important thing. What subject is this textbook? English. Write English on the label too. That's it. We are done. Now next page. But what do we do with these triangles? Here see, after cutting that V shape, we got the triangles. See here, what did she do? Draw a face on one of the triangles with a sketch pen. Draw a face on one of the triangles with a sketch pen. Children, this is not necessary to cover the books. But see, you can make a puppet. See, how did she make? Stick an ice cream stick behind the triangle with tape so that one half is below the triangle. See, how did she make the puppets? Wow, it's a paper puppet. We'll have a whole family by the time we are done. So what were the instructions about? The instructions explained to us how to cover the books. Which sentences did you underline, children? We underlined only the sentences which were most important, as they gave us instructions about how to cover the books. See, for example, here see, first look at the sizes of the books and next put the same sized books together. If you see here in the third paragraph, we underlined the sentences. So yes, see, this is the third paragraph. Open it to the center page of the book. Place the open book in the middle of the sheet of brown paper, leaving about 1 inch all sides. See, this is most important instructions. So how do they start? The most important instructions begin with command verbs. See children, when the instructions are little difficult to understand, pictures help us, showing us what to do. See here, if you observe this, this is the pin page. And see, this is the picture. When I ask you to use a pencil to mark the corners. See, if I say you can't understand it properly. See, if you see the picture, you can understand it better. Okay. So we have learned to identify the important instructions. If you follow these instructions in a process, you can complete your work easily in a better way. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Open your English workbooks. S3. Identifying important instructions. Write today's date children, 28-1-2021. First question. Write the most important instructions given on the last 2 pages of the chapter, how to cover your books. See here, important instructions given on the last 2 pages of the chapter. See, page number 116 and 117. These are the last 2 pages of this chapter. Now, what are the important instructions here? You have to write. Now see here children, I have underlined here. Now peel off one label carefully from your sheet of labels. So this is not that much most important, because you know some children, you won't paste the labels. You will just directly write it on the brown sheet. Okay. So here what we have underlined, paste it. See, now peel off one label carefully from your sheet of labels. Paste it on the cover. Now here we have underlined, write your name and class on the label. Write your section too. And what are the important instructions in the next page? Just important instructions means that instructions means starting with the command verbs. Draw a face on one of the triangles with a sketch pen. Stick an ice cream stick behind the triangle with tape so that one half is below the triangle. So these are the most important instructions we have underlined. So from this we have to write in the workbook. See here, I have started from here. See children, your wish, you can write peel off the label carefully. You can write that instruction also. Write your name, comma, class and section on the label. Write the subject on the label too. Draw a face on one of the triangles with a sketch pen. Stick behind the triangle with tape. These are the important instructions they have given in the last 2 pages of the chapter. So the second question. Mark a V shape at the top of the spine of the book and an upside down V at the bottom of the spine. Why is this an important instruction for covering a book children? Yes children, this one I told you. Because you know without correctly drawing and cutting that V shapes, we will not be able to fold the corners. See, this is an important instruction because without correctly drawing and cutting the V shapes, we will not be able to fold the corners in. Now see the third one. Read the following instructions for covering a book. Here they have given you 2 instructions. So now here he is asking which instruction is important to include, which is not, why. Fold in each flap of the paper to cover the book. Keep the triangles under a paperweight. In these 2, which is the most important instruction children to include? Yes, of course the first one. So I will write the answer. It is important to include the first instruction because if we do not fold in the flaps, our books will not get covered. Okay. See here they have asked you which instruction is important to include, which is not. So we have to write which instruction is not so important. We have to write that one also. The second instruction is less important. See, this is the second instruction. This is less important. because it tells about only scrap paper triangles. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Complete S3. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic, writing numbered instructions. Okay children, thank you.